た世界に惑いながら覚醒を信じる横顔 All day late 無口な決意願いからこんなに大きな未来 Going to love 気高いほど純粋にただ真実を時として残酷な目で笑うけど愛のままの良いのセンス守りたい当ててゆく空に今両手に受け止めて君へ注ぐあの光汚れなき笑顔と自由のサプライズもう恐れることはないさ生み出した地平の先さ新しい始まり行こう永遠の Joy to the world
My lord, may I ask, why are we waiting here?
You will see soon enough, Harumi. They'll be here any second now.
My lord, why is everything shaking?
They have arrived, as I said.
Oh, what was that? Unsure. Temporal disturbance. Error.
Ugh. What was that all about?
Out of everyone, how are me and Yoshi still standing?
I don't know. My head hurts from that.
Excellent, my lord. You brought them back, as well as the prisoners.
Of course, that was the plan after all. My lord, you did that?
Confusion. I didn't know you could do that with anything.
Me neither. I thought he could only shoot lightning from his forearms.
Wait, he teleported us here?
That is correct. I teleported you all into this facility.
Shall we tell them... Oh, my lord, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Shall we let them know where we are?
Yes.
Yeah, I just have to ask. This place looks more mechanical. This isn't the castle. Where are we?
You are on board our newest addition to the Empire. We are on the Warship.
Oh dear God. Most impressive. Unaware of this predicament.
Whoa, and I thought I had the biggest ship around here. This thing is massive.
Yes, it is. A ship that has been given to us by a new ally of ours.
Wait, what?
What does she mean by that? I don't know.
That's right. I made a new ally. One who also has a vendetta against you two.
Oh.
It's not good.
Most certainly it is not. But it's excellent news for us. Harumi, Vangelis, Mr. E, Boba Fett, you are dismissed.
As you wish, my lord.
Fine. I need to polish my scythe anyways.
As you command, my lord.
Alright, but tell me where my ship is so I can check on it. Go to the hangar. You'll find it there. Thank you.
What do you want from us, you fiend?
Yeah, just let us go, please.
I don't think that will be happening. You two have ruined my plans for multiversal domination. So, I thought I'd come to this kingdom and ruin what you love so dear.
We're not gonna let you get away with this, nor will our friends let you get away with it.
Yeah, yeah, they'll be here to save us. Just you wait.
Oh, you think they're gonna get here in time to save you? Well, you're wrong. Once my men are done preparing the warship, we'll be taken to the skies.
And how exactly do you plan to do that? We're in a cave system.
You'd be surprised from what this technology can do.
Oh, God, don't tell me this is Eggman's doing.
Nope. That scientist is a foolish old coot, and he's a nuisance to me. No, I have something much more dire.
What would that be? Guys, hold up! Before we find out what happens next, did you know that only 9% of viewers who watch our videos are actually subscribed to the channel?
Yeah, so click the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss out on a single episode.
Now, back to the adventure!
Oh, I don't know, plumber. How about you have a look?
It can't be.
But, how?
Meet the newest member of my growing empire, Lord Megatron.
Megatron? What are you doing here?
What do you want? What do you want with us?
I was promised that I'd get some revenge on a certain turtle that ruined my plans a few years ago. And I promised him that he would get his opportunity if he helped build my empire from the ground up.
This went from bad to worse.
It did.
But I must ask, Overlord, how are you keeping them standing still like that, without them retaliating? That would be Boba Fett's doing. He has a gun that can freeze enemies in their place, but it can also be undone. That's if anyone can even get their hands on Boba Fett. He's the greatest assassin / bounty hunter we've hired. Interesting. Very interesting. Well, Overlord, the rest of my Decepticons are making their way here as we speak. Soon enough, we'll get this ship in the air, and soon the Mushroom Kingdom will be ours for the taking. Don't you mean mine for the taking? That's what I meant. It'll be yours for the taking. We, Decepticons, will do our own thing when we're done. Now that is understood. You are dismissed, Lord Megatron. Get your Decepticons here as fast as possible. As you command, Overlord. I'll be waiting for you on the bridge for further commands.
How did you convince him to team up with you?
Yeah, I thought he was a good guy now.
You'd be surprised from how much revenge can cloud one's judgment. But enough of that. I have huge plans for the two of you.
And what exactly would those plans be?
Well, let's just say they involve some certain implants implants that will change the outcome of this war.
You mean the same implants you put onto Pink Yoshi?
Uh-oh, that's not good.
It really isn't. Besides, these ones are more refined by myself. You see, these new implants that I've created, they won't just have you do what I say, but you'll turn on your friends.
What?
Oh no, I don't want that to happen.
Well, it's gonna happen, whether you like it or not. But I'll leave you two here for the moment. I need to acquire them first. They're not done. Perfection takes time as it is. Now, I would tell you to stay put, but you're already frozen. I'll be back soon.
Yoshi, what are we gonna do?
I don't know, Mario. But something tells me this might be the end for us.
Oh, God. Please don't say that, Yoshi. It can't be.
But it certainly feels that way. I don't want to be evil.
Neither do I. I already had to go through that once. I don't want to go through that again.
How do we get out of this? We can't even move.
I don't know. Oh, God. Let's just hope our friends can find us.
Are you sure they will get here in time?
I hope so. The whole Mushroom Kingdom depends on it. Oh.
I find it unlikely for our lord to just acquire an ally like this. I don't like it either. I don't trust that overgrown tin can. Me neither. He seems like a bad news for the Overlord. Affirmative. But the Overlord knows best. We cannot interfere with his plans. That's true. Besides, even if we were to intervene, much better. Thank you. Even if we were to intervene, Harumi would be the first obstacle course.
Talking about the Overlord behind his back, are we?
Oh, Jesus Christ! Don't scare me like that, God!
I must agree. You shouldn't be sneaking up on us like that.
Yeah, I didn't even hear you coming.
It's the whole point, you imbeciles. Besides, I wouldn't keep talking behind the Overlord's back. Otherwise, all of your heads would be looking pretty nice on his wall. And maybe your wings will look good on him, Vangelis.
Please don't take my wings. Don't take them away from me.
Apologies, Harumi. We will not have any conversations behind your back. Or the Overlord's. You better not. The Overlord has plans for all of us. Even the oversized, tin can.
Please don't tell him I said that.
Oh, I won't. Or maybe I will. Who knows? Now, I would suggest you all stop lollygagging and get to work. We've got a ship to prepare. I'll be seeing you boys in the bridge.
Something tells me that we might be on the wrong side. And why would you say that? Well, think about it. This job is getting too out of hand for us. I was only hired to be a bounty hunter for him, not rule over a whole kingdom. I guess you got a point. I do want to reclaim my status, though.
As do any of us. Maybe we're on the wrong side of this war.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Maybe we should hear the plumber and his dino friend out. But we'll have to talk to them in private when the Overlord's not scheming.
That's true. We can't waltz in there now. He's still in the room. So what do you suggest we do?
Bide our time and wait for our moment to speak with Mario. Let's see if he'll be willing to give us a chance of redemption.